Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. I can also be reached on Twitter, where I post regularly using the @fibstalker nickname. Good morning, today is Wednesday the 31st, 2012, and it's 20 to 6 p.m. Italian time. Italian time zone is GMT +1. What you see on the screen is an up-to-date review of the euro. I'm posting this a little bit later, but it was quite a busy day, and I'll show you what I did and what happened today. What you see on the screen is the euro FX continuous contract, the daily chart, aligned to the expiration of December 2012. You will remember that last week we traded this move lower. Then yesterday we had actually a violation of this trend lower, the sequence of measured move on the downside, and this we could see this from the violation on the upside of the 129.76 level, and after that, what happened? The market kept going higher in the morning, and but eventually it hit a resistance level that we were not expecting to play, but nevertheless this resistance has been there and has been acting on price, as you can see from the candle. And this resistance area is in the 130.20. Now you can observe that the first target of this short setup and resistance area nicely lines up to the 128.20-30 area, which is the area where you remember we had participation at the beginning of October, and we may get participation again at the end of November. So at the moment, so in the morning, then we were trading longs, and I also entered 2 positions longs. But what I expected was for this move to keep moving, price to keep moving higher and eventually break the 130.48, 130.50 level, and that would have somehow indicated that this long was for real and there was support. But at the moment, as you can see, the bears were able to put a stop. We need to understand now if this is going to be a temporary stop or if bears will be able to push price into the 128.30 area. Let's move to the 24 minutes or 4-hour chart, and let's see what happened in the morning. So in the morning we were expecting I've sent a plan yesterday. I also posted on my blog. The plan was to trade the 129.40 area. That was the support level I was looking for in the morning, but that level never played, and we had to enter at a higher price. And I noticed that there was this extension in the 129.60 area. So when price start moving higher and breaking the 4-hour candle, then I decided to enter with a stop below 129.50 and another position with a stop under 129.29 actually. As we can see, the price hit the first target, 130 100 area, and then again the 130.30 area with a small front run. So this move was completed. On the other side, we had bears looking at this short setup here, and they were able to stop the move here, and what they did actually with their action. They made the 15 minutes sequence of measured move higher, as well as the 4-hour sequence of moves higher fail, and that degraded the end of this move. Now we need to see whether euro price will diverge from the US indexes, and if that's the case, we should see support today or tomorrow in the 129.60. That's the last test, and we are going to give to price, because if 129.40 will be broken on the downside, then the short setup here will be valid. Simply we were on the other side of the market, because we were not expecting this mid level in 130.20 to trade, because it never traded during all this big sideways move we had till mid of September. So the but that's that level traded, and if we break 129.40, we will keep moving into the 129.30 area, which is the first target of this move. So we will see this tomorrow. If tomorrow we hold this area, 29.60 to 29.40, we have the possibility to move higher, and actually this could be the start of a very important swing move higher. I hope you find this interesting and this can be useful to your trading. I wish you all a very good evening, great day, and I'll chat to you tomorrow. Bye bye.